In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix pinched nerve pain in your neck and shoulder. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Dr. Rowe coming to you from SpineCare in St. Joseph, Michigan. In this video, we're going to go over easy exercises that can give instant relief for sharp pains in the neck and the shoulder being caused from a pinched nerve. A note, all of these exercises work just a little bit differently. To get the best results, go through them all, use what works best for you. As a bonus, all of the exercises can be done at home, require no equipment, and may offer quick relief even within 30 seconds. So with that being said, let's get started. So let's start with an overlooked cause of pinched nerve pain in the neck and the shoulder, which is a buildup of tension and tightness that leads to compression of nerve roots, causing sharp shooting pain. So here's a really easy way to knock out that tightness pretty much anytime, anywhere. We're going to take our fingers, interlock them like this, point our thumbs down towards the floor. We're then going to put our hands right over the back of our head and position our thumbs right at the base of the skull. What we want to do with this exercise is focus on a light massage. We're only going to go over muscles, so avoid the spine or anything that feels bony. I like to start right off to the side of the spine right here and then do a light circular massage for about 5 to 10 seconds. And over that time, just kind of put a little bit more pressure in there to deepen that self-massage, but only to your comfort level. Afterwards, see how you feel. If it feels pretty loose, just move over towards the side and repeat, doing this pretty much from the spine right here all the way over towards the ears. If any spot feels like it needs more tension, just keep doing this over and over again until everything is nice and loose. You're probably going to find that one certain spot might have a big muscle knot, spasm, just feels really tight and achy and it won't release. If you feel that, what you want to do is then attack the muscle fibers at different angles. So instead of doing a circular massage with it, what you want to do is take your thumb and hook right over that spot and then pull it towards your ear. And do that for about 5 to 10 repetitions. You may find it finally will release at that point. You can also go up and down with it diagonally. I would experiment with different motions and go with what works best for you. So once we have the top right here nice and relaxed, we're then going to do the same thing and move down over the middle part of the neck, repeat, and then go all the way towards the base of the neck and then towards the top of the shoulders. Again, focusing on any spot that just needs it a little bit more. From there, I'd like to take this one to the next level by putting some more neck motions in that will allow us to dig deeper into those spots and get some more relief. So let's do this same exercise, but what we're going to do first is rotation. So we're going to turn our head towards one side. When you do this, you're probably going to find that one certain movement, like let's say turning your head towards your left right here, is what causes pain or discomfort. So what you want to do is keep turning your head, build into it as much as you can, but stop before the point of pain or discomfort. You're going to hold that position, and now what you're going to do is that self-massage. You'll probably find that one pinpoint spot pretty quickly that you need to focus on. So keep attacking that tightness until everything is relaxed. And then afterwards, do the same thing. What you're probably going to notice is you can turn your head just a little bit more with less pain because those muscles are loosening up. So just keep doing this over and over again until everything is nice and loose or you're not getting any more improvement. So the movements that I would focus on while doing this, turning your head to look over one shoulder, left and right, and then I would also do a bending motion. So keeping your nose straight, taking your ear towards your shoulder. You should feel a deep opening stretch on the other side. And when you do this one, really focus on trying to get into the top of the shoulder right here. But it's just a good way to knock out muscle tightness pretty much anywhere, and I hope that gives you a lot of relief. With this exercise, we're going to focus on taking pressure off a pinched nerve through a decompression traction exercise. Think everything right now is getting compressed, and at that point, what we need to do is open it up with a deep pulling stretch. This one can be done standing or seated. It's very easy to do. So we're going to take 2 fingers, put them right on our chin, and gently press our head backward like this as much as we can. As you do this, you're going to feel a really good activation of the muscles in the neck. The key with this exercise, don't go to the point of pain or discomfort. If you start to feel that, back off slightly. You're then going to hold this position, take your other hand, put it right on the back of your head. Now gently push your head backward, and then also with the other hand, hook and pull your chin forward towards your chest as much as you can. You should feel a really light, gentle stretch in the neck, starting at the top right here, the base of the skull that works towards the middle, towards the base of the neck. Keep doing this as much as you can. Once you feel that deep but comfortable stretch, you're going to hold this for 20 to 30 seconds. But if it feels good, you can hold it for longer. From there, you're going to relax, and then you're going to repeat this 3 to 5 times. And with each repetition, try to build into it just a little bit more. So this is how we can take it to the next level and try to find some relief positions that will give us more pain relief. So for this one, what I'd like to do is, instead of keeping my nose straight, turn your head slightly towards one side and then repeat. You're going to notice it opens up the neck just a little bit differently. So go all the way towards the left, go all the way towards the right. If you find that one certain spot just offers the most relief, that is your relief position, and that's one that you want to make a note of and throw more repetitions in at that point. Here's another decompression exercise that can quickly take pressure off a pinched nerve in the neck. This one's going to focus more on bending or tilting motions, so if that movement offers you a lot of relief, give this one a try. You can do it standing or seated. So a quick note about this exercise: whatever side that you have pain, you're going to tilt away from the painful side only. So if you have a lot on your right, bend towards the left only, and vice versa. Let's say I have a lot on my right side. To get into position, we're going to take the painful side's arm, bend our elbow at 90 degrees, and now slide it across our lower back as much as we can. You should feel a gentle activation of the muscle on the top of the shoulder going into the side of the neck. This is the upper trapezius. Let's hold this position. Now we're going to take our hand on the other side, hook the side of our head, and now slowly, you want to do this one slowly, pull your ear towards the other side's shoulder. As you do this, you should feel a deep stretch form on the painful side, into the side of the neck, towards the shoulder. It usually feels pretty good. You only want to go towards a deep but comfortable stretch. If you feel any pain or discomfort, back off slightly. At this point, you're going to hold it for 20 to 30 seconds, but if it feels good, you can hold it for longer. And do nice, slow, controlled breathing. Let out as much tension as you can. Relax, take a breather, and then repeat this 3 to 5 times. And with each repetition, try to build into it just a little bit more. You should notice that you have more pain-free range of motion every time that you do it. If you want to take this one to the next level and get a more intense stretch, give this a try. Get back into the original stretch, but now turn your chin upward towards the ceiling. So it's kind of like rotating your head towards the painful side. Do this one slowly. It really intensifies this stretch. But if this position offers more relief, at that point, throw more repetitions in. With this exercise, we're going to focus on nerve gliding. Think opening up the pathways where the nerves travel to break up adhesions and tightness that may be compressing or pinching a nerve, causing pain. You can do this exercise standing or seated. To get into position, outstretch your arms off to your side like this. Have your palms facing towards the floor. This is a two-part movement. The first movement, we're going to slowly rotate one hand so our palm is facing towards the ceiling. The second movement, we're going to turn our head towards the side where the palm is facing towards the floor. You're going to hold this position for a second or two and build into it as much as you can, but not to the point of pain or discomfort. So if you're turning your head and you feel any pain or discomfort, stop before that point. Again, hold this for a second or two, and then you're just going to switch the placement of the hands right here, and then turn the head towards the other side. You want to do this nice and slowly for 15 repetitions in both directions, and build into it just a little bit more with each repetition. Afterwards, see how you feel. If it feels like it's offering relief, but you need a little bit more, you can always throw in more repetitions. Another note about this exercise, you can do this multiple times throughout the day. Just scale back with improvement. If the exercises help, please support the channel by giving this video a like and maybe subscribing too. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.